Hi, I hope this video finds you well and that you're starting to get inspired to really work your dog again. We have a lot of new classes starting tomorrow that I want to make you aware of. For those of you especially that want to continue training at home, aren't quite ready to walk back into a freestyle class yet, or don't have access to a freestyle class. So this is what we've got coming up starting tomorrow. Handlers in Motion. If you haven't taken that class, it really breaks down how your body communicates to your dog. And from a dance standpoint, or the standpoint of a dancer rather, the biomechanics of doing things like backing up, moving sideways, using curves and circles, waltzing, turning. All these things are broken down in that class, and that class actually offers 9 CEUs along with the class. So if you're a trainer that needs CEUs for this year, consider jumping on that class. That starts tomorrow. Another one, my most favorite class that I'm teaching, is Before You Step into the Ring. For those of you that are planning to perform, or even just to film your best video, late summer, I'd say end of July, August, September, you need to take that class now, because it's 6 weeks of working through how to really raise your game from a performance standpoint for the whole team, not just your dog, but also for you. That class is $100 for the 6 lessons, and that does offer coaching as well. So if you send back video, I'll analyze it and I'll give you feedback. Concepts of Creating. Most of you, I think, have taken that class, but if you haven't, it's my gold mine. It's my $50 gold mine that teaches you all the secrets that human choreographers know and applies them to the world of freestyle. Of course, I'm still, as I do every 6 weeks, repeating Dogs Really Can Dance, which is the beginner class, and Dogs Really Can Dance 2, which is the sequel to Dogs Really Can Dance. Those are both $40. So if you haven't actually gone back to foundation, that might be a place to start. If you have some foundation in place, jump to Dogs Really Can Dance 2. Especially those of you that took Dogs Really Can Dance 1 and haven't stepped up to Dogs Really Can Dance 2 yet, that's available starting tomorrow. And of course, private coaching face-to-face over the internet is always available. So all you need to do is email me or message me and say, you know, I want a one-on-one with you just once to figure this problem out, or to lay out a game plan of how to proceed, or brainstorm an idea. That's always available to you. So another thing I would love to know, because I feel like I've been sheltering at home for a long time, is what successes have you had in the past 8 weeks? And also what your challenges have been, whether it's been mentally for working your dogs, emotionally, or actually physically. So let me know what those challenges are, and also I want to hear the successes of the past 8 weeks. You know, my goal is to get us ready to take on tomorrow, and that's what this next 6 weeks of online classes is all about. Message me or email me, reply to this email, and let me know how I can help you.